Hello guys, welcome back. In this small video, I am going to give you a brief explanation about the functions of a multimeter. Actually, this is one of the cheapest multimeters available in the market. However, even it is a cheaper multimeter, it has several functions. Now, I am going to tell you one by one the available function of this multimeter. Okay, right. In the top left hand side you have DCV. It means the voltage measurement in direct current side. You know the difference between DC and AC, direct current and the voltage, direct current and the alternating current. Okay, right. In this side we can determine, we can check the voltage of a direct current circuit. And here you can see the off button, and in the right hand side you can see the letters ACV. ACV, it means alternating current voltage. And here behind that you have another region, DCA, direct current amperage. It means direct current. Actually we can measure the value of a direct current flow. So now we have another problem. What is that? How to measure the alternating current value? It means if you have an alternating current circuit, how do we measure the amperage? For that, we have another probe here. We have another probe here. It means we can remove this red probe from here and we can fix it in this hole, in this terminal. There is a terminal hole. Okay, right. Now we will go back to the other side. Here you can see the symbol and the value here. What is this symbol? This is a symbol for ohms. It means this in this region we can have the value readings of resistors in a considerable region. Apart from that, we have another function here. This is a continuity function. In my previous short video, I have shown you an example for the continuity function. Okay guys, like this I will bring some more videos. Please give me a support by giving a subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.